Are your online sales falling short? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle to reach their target customers. Snapchat ads can change that. You can tap into a massive $5 trillion spending power of Gen Z and millennials. Snapchatters are 34% more likely to purchase from your ads compared to other platforms. They love sharing their purchases on Snapchat, enhancing your brand visibility. Let's explore 3 game-changing benefits. First, single image or video ads immediately grab attention. These ads place your key message front and center. Second, collection ads provide a seamless shopping experience. Customers can browse and easily click to purchase. Third, story ads curate engaging content for consumers. Showcase your product variety and build excitement around your brand. Snapchat stands out with its unique selling point. The platform enhances user engagement like no other with interactive ad formats. Take Manscaped as a success example. They achieved a staggering 162% revenue increase by utilizing Snapchat ads and the Snap Conversions API. Opt for Snapchat's measurement tools. With Snap Pixel, you track user actions and optimize ad targeting effectively. Ready to boost your online sales? Start by selecting website conversions as your ad objective. Don't wait. Take action today with Snapchat ads and watch your sales soar.